On Tuesday, November 11, 2025, the University of Ibadan came alive with color, music, and celebration as the first day of its 25th convocation ceremony kicked off for 7 major faculties. From Trenchard Hall to the university gates, camera flashes, drum beats, and joyful laughter filled the air. Vice-Chancellor, Professor Kayode Adebowale, announced a remarkable milestone. 448 of 5,900 students graduated with first-class honors. He praised their discipline, creativity, and resilience and reaffirmed UI's place as Nigeria's premier university. Parents beamed with pride, and graduates expressed gratitude for a journey filled with stress, perseverance, and triumph.